Hey Mini enthusiasts, how are you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're all well. So you rejoin us and we're on part 4 of the Mini Madgwick build, or the Swiftune Madgwick build. As you can see, things are progressing along really quickly. We're only 4 episodes in and the body refit is nearly done. So just a quick shout out there to the Buy Me a Beer supporters. I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. And it does go a long way. We really appreciate it. So as I've probably mentioned before, this build is going really quickly and slightly different format to what me and Mark usually do. It's mostly going to be time-lapse videos, and the build work, when you're watching the video or when I'm sort of editing the video, this is the first time we've seen this video or seen the build coming together, because obviously it's not me and Mark doing it. The car is being built by Swiftune. They're obviously very professional at what they do, so it's Alex working on the car here, and he just makes everything look so easy and straightforward, and I'm sure that comes from years of knowledge and experience. I'm not quite sure how many videos there'll be in the build series. I think there's probably one more video of the bodywork being built up, and then there'll be hopefully a bit on the engine being built and the engine being fitted in the car. So it is coming together really quickly. You might notice here, obviously the front windscreen going into the car there. I'm sure they don't need my help, but that looks like a heated front windscreen going in, which will be Mark's choice. He does like a heated front screen in his Minis. I think he usually fits one to most of the Minis that he restores or builds. If you are a new subscriber watching this video, there's been a fair few lately. I just want to say welcome along. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. I hope you enjoy this video, and there's a huge back catalogue of videos, projects that we've done over the last few years. There's well over 450 videos now. So thanks for subscribing. Welcome along.
Every day we escape losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel tired.